Welcome to our complete guide on sensors in Internet of Things. In this series, we will explore the different types of sensors used in IoT systems, understand how they function, and learn how to select the right sensor for your specific application. We will cover temperature sensors, pressure sensors, motion sensors, and environmental sensors. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of sensor technology and its critical role in building intelligent IoT solutions. A sensor is a device that detects physical or chemical properties from its environment and converts them into electrical signals that can be measured and analyzed. Sensors work by identifying changes in the environment or physical state around them. Once they detect these changes, they convert the detected signals into measurable electrical data. This data is then transmitted to processing systems where it can be analyzed and acted upon. In essence, sensors are the eyes and ears of any IoT system, enabling devices to perceive and respond to the world around them. Sensors can be classified in several different ways depending on their characteristics. By output type, sensors are either analog, which provide continuous voltage signals, or digital, which provide discrete values. By technology, sensors are either passive, which generate their own signal without external power, or active, which require external power to function. By parameter, sensors measure different physical quantities like temperature, pressure, motion, and environmental factors. By application, sensors are designed for specific use cases such as industrial environments, agricultural monitoring, or environmental sensing. Understanding these classifications helps you choose the right sensor for your IoT project. Temperature sensors measure thermal energy and convert it into electrical signals for temperature monitoring. There are several types of temperature sensors commonly used in IoT applications. RTD, or resistance temperature detector, offers high accuracy and is widely used in industrial settings. Thermistors, which include NTC and PTC types, are cost-effective and respond quickly to temperature changes. Thermocouples consist of two junctions and can measure extreme temperature ranges, making them suitable for harsh environments. The DS18B20 is a digital integrated circuit sensor that is low cost and ideal for IoT applications. Infrared sensors provide non-contact temperature measurement, which is useful when you cannot physically touch the object being measured. The LM35 sensor provides analog output and is simple to integrate into your projects. Pressure sensors detect and measure pressure changes in gases or liquids, converting them into electrical signals. These sensors are essential in applications where you need to monitor pressure in pipes, tanks, or atmospheric conditions. Piezoelectric sensors generate voltage when pressure is applied and are excellent for dynamic pressure measurements and impact detection. Capacitive sensors work by changing capacitance in response to pressure, offering high sensitivity and precision. Resistive sensors use variable resistance to measure pressure and provide analog output signals. The BMP280 is a popular digital sensor that measures barometric pressure and is widely used in weather stations and altitude monitoring. The MPX series from Freescale are analog sensors commonly used in automotive applications. Silicon strain gauge sensors use semiconductor technology to provide precise pressure measurements in industrial applications. Motion sensors detect movement, position, and acceleration, making them essential for IoT monitoring and automation systems. PIR sensors, or passive infrared sensors, detect heat movement from moving objects and are commonly used in security systems and automatic lighting. Ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to detect distance and presence, allowing you to build contactless detection systems. Accelerometers measure acceleration and are available as integrated circuits like the MPU 6050 and ADXL 345, which can detect movement in multiple directions. Gyroscopes measure rotation and angular velocity, which is useful for orientation tracking and stabilization. Microwave sensors use the Doppler effect to detect movement even through walls and obstacles. Tilt switches are simple devices that provide binary output based on the tilt position of an object. Environmental sensors monitor air quality, humidity, light, and other atmospheric parameters that are critical for smart systems. Humidity sensors like the DHT11 and DHT22 measure moisture levels and temperature, making them useful for climate control applications. Air quality sensors from the MQ series detect various gases and smoke, helping you monitor indoor and outdoor air quality. Light sensors including LDR and BH1750 measure ambient light levels, enabling automatic brightness adjustment in smart home systems. Soil moisture sensors use capacitive technology to monitor water levels in soil, essential for automated irrigation and smart agriculture. Sound level sensors detect noise and acoustic levels, useful for monitoring environmental noise pollution. The BME680 is an advanced multi-sensor that simultaneously measures gas, humidity, and pressure, providing comprehensive environmental data in a single chip. When selecting a sensor for your IoT project, you must consider several important criteria. Accuracy determines how precisely the sensor measures the parameter. You need to consider the measurement precision and the error tolerance acceptable for your application. Power consumption includes the operating voltage and current draw of the sensor. Low power consumption is critical for battery-operated IoT devices to extend battery life. Response time refers to how quickly the sensor detects and reports changes. This is important in applications where fast detection is necessary. Cost includes both the unit price and the integration costs. Finding the right balance between cost and performance is key to a successful project. Operating range specifies the temperature limits and humidity range within which the sensor functions reliably. Interface compatibility determines whether the sensor uses analog or digital output and whether it supports protocols compatible with your microcontroller. These criteria should guide your selection process. Integrating sensors into your IoT system follows a clear workflow. First, the sensor detects the physical signal from the environment. Second, the microcontroller receives the sensor's output and processes the data, converting it into meaningful information. Third, a gateway device transmits this processed data to the cloud or a central server. Finally, the cloud platform analyzes the data, stores it, and can trigger actions based on predefined rules or machine learning models. This four-step workflow ensures that sensor data flows smoothly from detection to analysis, enabling your IoT system to make intelligent decisions based on real-world measurements. Let us summarize the key points from this comprehensive sensor guide. First, there are multiple sensor types including temperature, pressure, motion, and environmental sensors, each serving different IoT applications. Second, sensor selection is critical and depends on factors like accuracy, power consumption, response time, cost, operating range, and interface compatibility. Third, proper integration of sensors with microcontrollers and gateways ensures reliable and continuous data flow in your IoT system. Fourth, IoT sensors enable innovative solutions across smart homes, industrial automation, agriculture, and healthcare. By understanding these concepts, you are now equipped to design and build effective IoT systems. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more IoT topics with you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.